Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have 3 to the power of n equals to n, and we just solve this problem for the values of n. So here the very first step we are going to do is here first we focus on both of the side, and we have the exponential function, so that we need to take the log on both of the sides, so that when we take this log on both of the sides it will be written as log of 3 to the power of n is equals to log of n. So here we need to use the nice property of log, and you know about this property of log. If we have log of b to the power of m, so it will be written as m times of log b. So here we use this nice property of log in the left hand side of the above equation. So our above equation will be written as n times of log 3 is equals to log of n. So in the next step here we just move all the variable terms in the right hand side. So we have this is n be the variable term, so we move this to the right hand side and it will be written as log 3 is equals to log of n is divided by n. So after that here we have an interesting point, which is that here we just introduce the lambda w function. So you know about this lambda w function. So our lambda w function is just stated as w of x into e to the power of x is equals to x. So this is called the standard form of lambda w function. It means that if you have some exponent of e and this exponent is multiplied by here, and the output of this lambda w function is the exponent of e. So our exponent of e is x. So this is the output of this lambda w function. So now here we apply this lambda w function to the above equation, but now first we convert our above equation in this form. Here we introduce the exponential function with base e. So after that we have the exponent of e is multiplied by here, then we use the lambda w function. So that here you see here this is our n, and we write this n is equals to e to the power of log n. It means that if you have exponential function, if you have e and log at the same time, so these are cancelled out by each other because e and ln are the anti-log of each other. So we just replace this n is equals to e to the power of log n, and it will be written as in this form: log of 3 is equals to log of n divided by e to the power of log of n. So after that we just move this exponential form to the upsides, and it will be written as log of 3 is equals to log of n into e to the power of minus log of n. So here you see that we just make this term the exponential term with base e, and now we just make the product of this function is the exponent of this e. So this is minus log n, but here we have this log n, so we need the minus sign here. So now we multiply both of the sides by minus 1. So when we multiply both of the sides by minus 1, it will be written as in this form: minus times of log 3 is equals to minus times of log n into e to the power of minus log n. So here we ready to apply the lambda w function, because we make all conditions of the lambda w function. So that here we just apply both of the sides by this w, and it will be written as w of minus log 3 is equals to w of minus log n into e to the power of minus log n. So after that here we just see focus in the right hand side. So the output of this lambda w function is the exponent of this e, and the output of this function is minus times of log n, and in the left hand side we have w of minus log of 3. So here we make the lambda w function, and now because in this question we find the value of this n, and here first we remove this minus and log n. So in order to remove this minus sign, we need to multiply both of these sides by minus 1. So when we multiply both of the sides by minus 1, it will be written as minus times of w into minus log 3 is equals to minus times of minus log n. And now in the next step, here you see that we have minus times of w into minus log 3 is equals to, so this minus times of minus becomes plus log n. So now here we have the time to remove this log on this natural log. So here we take the anti-log on both of the sides. So when we take anti-log, it will be written as e to the power of minus w of minus log 3 is equals to e to the power of log n. So you know that e be the anti-log of log, so these are cancelled out by each other, and we get the output in the right hand side is e to the power of minus w into minus log 3 is equals to n. So here you see that the exponent of e is negative, so that we move this exponent the downside, and it will be written as e to the power of w of minus log 3. So this is the final value of n. So now here you focus on the exponent of this e. So our exponent of e is w of minus log 3 is not exist for real value. Okay, so this lambda w function cannot exist for real value. It means that the value of this lambda w function is some complex number. So you can easily find the value of w of minus log 3 by using the value from Mathematica or value from alpha. So it will be clearly get the value of this lambda w function. So it cannot be exist for real value, so it means that it is exist for or this solution be the our complex solution. So this is our complex solution. So you can check this solution by using the value from alpha. So this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.